Students, welcome back to the Smart Box. We will be doing our last 10th chapter, that is ratio and proportion of class 6. This is the part 1 of our video. Okay, this is a very important chapter according to your 7th standard, 8th standard, and it is carried out till the 9th standard. That is this same name and this same chapter. Okay, but difficulty level will be increasing. This is the very important chapter. As I said, we will be taking an example of ratio and proportion over here. Now, what do you mean by ratio? First of all, anything which we are comparing, okay, which we write in the form of numerator and denominator is known as its ratio. Okay, so what is it? Where there is an example given over here, we can see that if there are 3 girls, okay, the number of flowers collected is 12. Okay, so what will be the number of flowers if there are 5 girls? Okay, अगर समझो आपको स्कूल में जो है फ्लावर्स मंगाए गए, ठीक है, एक गर्ल को जो है सेम नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर्स लाना है. Okay, suppose one girl has to bring 3 flowers. Okay, so if there are 3 girls in the class, then how much flower will be collected? 9 flowers. Okay, but if there are 5 girls, then how much? Then we will be doing 5 3s are 15. Okay, so this is known as ratio. Okay, so here we have given that if there are 3 girls, then the number of flowers required, the number of flowers collected will be how much? 12. So the ratio will be what? 3 upon 12, that is number of girls upon number of flowers. Okay, now another box is 5 girls and how much flower. So what we will be doing, we will be just putting equal to, we will be putting equal to, and the number of girls which is given us over here is 5, but number of flowers we don't know, so we will be taking it as x. Okay, now we know that we have done the previous chapter's equation. If x is getting divided over here, then it will be getting multiplied. Okay, this will get multiplied over there, 3 into x, and this 12 will be getting multiplied with 5. This will become 12 5s. Okay, so 12 5s will be 60, and this 3 is getting multiplied over here with x, so we will be dividing it here with 3. We have done this in equation. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 20s. Okay, so here answer will be 20. That means if there are 3 girls, we will be collecting 12 flowers, but if there are 5 girls, we will be collecting 20 flowers. Okay, now the next in this same thing, that is next question, that if 32 flowers are been collected, how many girls have been submitted the flowers. Okay, now here we have to find the number of girls. Okay, so the same thing we will be doing, that the number of girls were 3 and the flower collected was 12, then the number of girls we will be taking now as x, because we don't know this, but the flower collected are 32, so this 32 will getting multiplied over here. Okay, and this 12 will remain over here itself. Now you will be multiplying 3 with 32. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 96 upon 12. Okay, this will be your answer of x. Now you have to divide it. Okay, so 12 12 5s is 80. Okay, sorry, 12 5s is 60, 12 7s is 72, 12 8s is 84, and 12 8s is 96. Okay, so here 8, x is equal to 8. So what is the answer over here? 8. That if there are 8 girls, then the number of flowers will be 32. Okay, so again there is one question, that if one girl is only there, then how much flowers? We know that 1 upon 4. Okay, so we have to just find out the ratio, that if 3 upon 12 is given to us, 3 upon 12 is given to us, we have to divide it and make it in the smallest form, that is 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. You have to divide it with the same number. 3 को जिससे हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसी को 12 से भी डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको एक रेशियो आएगा, that is 1:4. That is one girl will be bringing 4 flowers. Okay, this is nothing but ratio. Now when we finding the ratio of the quantities of same kind, their measure must be in the same unit. Okay, in the same unit का मतलब क्या होता है? If you are calculating the ratio of roads and suppose roads and kilometers, okay, it is in kilometers, its unit is in kilometer, and the another unit is in meters, so you have to convert the kilometer into meter. That is, if you are comparing the two ratios, its unit should be in the same unit. Okay, we will be doing this in the exercise, then you will be understanding it very clearly. Here we will be taking the second example. That example is what? A hostel is to be built for school going girls. Okay, hostel, they are making hostels. Okay, now they are making toilets according to the number of girls. Two toilets are to be built for every 15 girls. Okay, 15, if there are 15 girls in the hostel, we will be making two toilets. Okay, if 75 girls will be living in the hostel, how many toilets will be required in this proportion? But we are getting a ratio that if we build two toilets for 15 girls, okay, so we have a ratio 2 upon 15. But we don't have 15 girls, we have actually 17 girls. So okay, this is number of toilets and this is number of girls. Okay, so number of girls are in denominator. Secondly, the number of girl is how much? 75. And here it is number of number of toilets. Okay, so number of toilets for 75 girls are what we don't know about it, so we will be putting x over here. Okay, this 75 will be getting multiplied over here. 2 multiply by 75 divide by 15 is equal to x. Now we know that 15 and 75 are divisible by each other. Okay, that is 15 ones are 15 and 15 fives are 75 and 5 twos are will be 10. X is equal to 10. That means 10 toilets are required for 75 girls. Okay, so this was our answer for this ratio and proportion. So these sums are very easy and very easy to understand also. Let's start with our practice set 28. Okay, in each of the example below, find the ratio of the first number to the second. This is our first sum. Okay, now you just have to find the ratio. That is, first one is the below, find the ratio of the first number to the second. That means 24, first number to the second. This is our answer. Okay, 24 upon 56. Now what you have to do, you have to divide it. Okay, you have to see that 24 and 56 are coming in which table. Now how do you do this? You have to do this by finding their common multiple. Okay, common multiple we have done, that is LCM. Okay, we have to find the LCM of both the number and you have to divide it. Okay, but if you start with 2, suppose if you divide both the numbers with 2, okay, so if you divide 24 by 2, it will be getting 12, and if you divide 56 by 2, it will give you 28. Okay, now you all can see that again both 12 and 28 can be divisible by 2, so you have to divide it with 2 again, so the answer will be 6 upon 14. Now you all can again see that 6 and 14 both are divisible by 2 again, so you will divide it by 2 again, 3 upon 7. Now you all can see that 3 and 7 do not come in any common table, that is 3 and 7 do not have any LCM. Therefore, you can write it directly as 24 upon 56 can be written as 3 upon 7. This will be your answer. This is your rough work, students. Okay, this you don't have to show it in your examination. Okay, but you should know that what is the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, let's see the second one, that is 63 upon 49. Okay, 63 upon 49. Now you all can see that 63, if I find the LCM, okay, if I find the factors of 63, what we will be getting, we will be dividing it with 3, 21, 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7. And what about 49? 49 will be like this, 7 sevens are 49. Okay, there is no other thing. Okay, now you all can see that this can be divided by 7. Okay, only 7 is the common factor over here, so we will directly divide it by 7. We will divide it 63 by 7, and we will divide 49 with 7 itself. So here it will be coming 9, and here it will be coming 7, because 49 divided by 7 is 7 and 63 divided by 7 is 9. So the answer is 9 upon 7. If you just write 63 upon 49, you won't be getting marks in your examination. Okay, let's do the third one, that is 52 upon 65. Same thing, you have to find the factors for both. We have to find the 52. Okay, here it will be coming 26, 13, 13, 1. Let's go for 65. 65 will be coming in 5's table. So we will be taking at 13, and then 13 ones are 30. Okay, so here again 13 is common, so here you will be dividing it with 13, and here also you will be dividing it with 13. So 52 divided by 13 will be 4, and 65 divided by 13 will be 5. So your answer will be 4 upon 5. Okay, I hope students you all will be understanding this. Now a small homework for you all. You have to do this 4th, 5th and 6th sum in your notebook as homework. But if you have any doubt, you can comment me down. I'll show you how to do this sum. But because we have done LCM and HCF in the previous semester, so we know how to find out common factors. So this is how you will be doing this first sum. Okay, now let's go to the second part of this exercise, that is find the ratio of the first quantity to the second. Again the same thing, but here we have given all the units. Okay, these are beads, these are rupees, these are minutes, these are hour. Okay, so here the unit is same. Okay, if the unit is same, we don't have any problem, we will just directly divide it. Okay, now it is written as 25 upon 40. You have to find out their LCM and directly you will do it. Okay, 25 upon 40 can be divided by 5 itself. Okay, so here it will be 5 upon 8. Okay, so the ratio will be 5 beads upon 8 beads. Okay, second one, 40 rupees upon 120 rupees. Okay, this is our ratio. So we will be dividing it with 40 and 120 will be coming in 40's table itself. Okay, we will divide it with 40. 40 divided by 40 will be 1. 120 divided by 40 will be 3. So this will be, the ratio will be 1 upon 3. Both are in rupees, we don't have any problem. Now the problem will be what? It is 15 minutes and this is 1 hour. So if the unit is not same, we can't find out the ratio. For that we have to make it in the same unit. Okay, so we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it can be written as 15 minute upon 60 minute. Okay, the ratio will be nothing but 50 upon 60. Okay, now we will be finding out the LCM. The LCM will be 15 itself. Okay, now the LCM will be 15 itself. Okay, so you have to divide it with 15. Okay, 15 divided by 15 will be 1 and 60 divided by 15 will be 4. The ratio will be 1:4. Okay, so this is again a very easy sum. Okay, now let's go to the second part, that is 30 liter and 24 liter. Okay, 30 liter and 24 liter, again the ratio is same, so we don't have to do anything. Fifth sum पे आ जाते हैं. This sum will be homework for you all. Fifth sum is what? 99 kg and 44,000 grams. Okay, now we know that 1 kg is equal to how much grams? 1000 grams. Okay, so if I have to convert this 44 grams, 44,000 grams into kg, then I have to divide it with what? 1000. So when I divide it with 1000, it will become 44 kg. Okay, now this is also converted into kg and this was itself into kg. So we won't be writing 99 upon 44,000, but we will be writing 99 upon 44. Okay, now the LCM will be 11. We know that both the numbers will be coming in 11's table, so we will be dividing it with 11. Okay, so what is it? 99 divided by 11 will be 9 and 44 divided by 11 will be 4. So the answer will be 9 upon 4. Okay, so 9 upon 4 will be your answer. This is how you will be doing the sum. Okay, next is 1 liter upon 250 ml. Okay, we know that 1 liter is how much? 1 liter is 1000 ml. Okay, so in place of 1 liter we won't be writing 1, we will be writing 1000 upon 250 ml. Okay, so here 0 will be getting cancelled and now we will be dividing both the numbers with 25 because 25 will be the LCM for both. Okay, so here it will be 4 and here it will be 1, so the ratio will be 4:1. So I hope you all are getting these sums. Okay, you have to do 7, 8, 9 sum as homework in your book. Again I am telling, if you have any doubt in conversion, now you all can see that this is written half kg. Do not get panic. We know that 1 kg is 1000 gram, right? So half kg will be 500 grams. So here it will be coming 500 grams. Okay, again here 1 meter, we know that 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeter. So here it will be 125 centimeter and here it will be 100 centimeters. Here again 60 paisa is to 1 rupee. We know that 1 rupee is how much paisa? 100 paisa. Okay, so there is no need of getting panic. I have written all the values, you just have to find out the ratios. Okay, let's go to the third sum now. Okay, third sum is what? Rima has 24 notebooks and 18 books. Okay, she has 24 notebooks and 18 books. Find the ratio of notebooks to books. Okay, so notebooks to books. Okay, so what we will be writing? Rima has 24 notebooks. I am writing in short form. And Rima has 18 books. Ratio of notebook to book will be 24 upon 18. Okay, now 24 upon 18, we know that these two numbers come in 6 table. Okay, we will be dividing it with 6 itself. So 6 4s are 24 and 6 3s are 18. So 4:3 is the ratio of notebook upon book. Okay, this is the final answer, that is 4 upon 3. That's it, so easy. Okay, let's see the fourth sum. What is the fourth sum? 30 cricket players and 20 kho players are training on the field. Okay, we know that number of players of cricket is 30 and number of kho is 20. What is the ratio of cricket players to the total numbers of player? Okay, now this is a very interesting sum, students. We know that number of players playing cricket is how much? 30. Okay, number of players playing kho is how much? 20. Okay, now the ratio we have asked been is that the ratio of cricket players to the total number of players. Now we don't know the total number of players, so we have to also find total number of players. Total players is equal to how much? 20 plus 30, that is 50. Now what ratio we have to find? We have to find the ratio of number of cricket players upon number of total players. Are you all getting me? Because number of cricket players and total number of players we have to find out. So total number of cricket player is 30 and total player are 50, not 20. Most of the students divide here with 20, or that is number of kho players, but we have been asked about total number of players. Okay, so this 0 0 will be getting cancelled easily, and your answer will be what? 3/5. The ratio of cricket player to the number of total players will be 3/5. Okay, so this finishes our fourth sum. Let's go to the fifth sum, and then after this there will be the last sum of our practice set. Okay, now fifth sum is what? Snehal has a red ribbon that is 80 centimeter long and blue ribbon 2.2 meter long. Okay, again we have get a sum that we don't have the equal unit. Okay, so first of all we will be writing Snehal has red ribbon. Okay, the length of red ribbon is how much? 80 centimeter. फिर the length of blue ribbon is how much? 2.20 meters, but we have to convert it in centimeter because we want all the both the units in same quantity. Okay, so 2.20 will be getting multiplied with 100. We will be getting the answer as 220 centimeter. Okay, what is the ratio of length of red ribbon to the blue ribbon? Okay, so ratio of red ribbon on blue ribbon is equal to, red ribbon is of 80 centimeter and blue is of 220. 0 0 will be getting cancelled. Okay, now here we are getting that both the numbers will be getting divided by 2 only. So 8/22 can be divided by 2. Here also by 2. So 8 divided by 2 will be 4. 22 divided by 2 will be 11. So 4/11 will be the ratio of red ribbon is to blue ribbon. Okay, this finishes our fifth sum. Let's go to the sixth sum. This is a very important and very interesting sum. You should mark it as star mark in your textbook and your notebook also. Let's see what is the sum. Shubham's age today is 12 years and his father's age is 42 years. Okay, let's write it that Shubham's age today is how much? 12 years. फिर Shubham's father's age is how much? 42 years. Shubham's mother is younger than his father by 6 years. Okay, Shubham's mother is what? Younger than his father. So Shubham's mother age, Shubham's mother's age is equal to 42 minus 6. Why we are doing this? Because his father is 42 years and his mother is 6 years younger. Okay, so if I am subtracting 42 by 6, that means that she is 36 years old. Okay, Shubham's mother's age is 36 years old. Okay, now find the ratios. Now we can start the sum. What is the first ratio which we have to find out is ratio of Shubham's age today to his mother's age today. Okay, what is the ratio which we have to find out? Ratio of Shubham's age today upon mother's age today. Okay, so what is the age of Shubham? Age of Shubham is 12 years and his mother is 36. We will be dividing it with 36. Okay, 12, we will be dividing it with 12 because 12 is the LCM. we will be getting 1 upon 3. This is the ratio. Now let's do the second. Ratio of Shubham's mother age today to his father's age today. Okay, what is the ratio which we have to find out? Ratio of Shubham's mother upon Shubham's father. Okay, so this will be 36 upon 42. 36 upon 42 will be the ratio, but we know that these two tables are getting divisible by 2. Okay, we have to find out the factors for it first. Okay, and then 42 again. This is 3, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 2. 3 to the 6. 6 will be the common factor. Okay, 6 6 are 36 and 6 7 are 42. So 6 upon 7 will be the ratio in it. Okay, now the last one is interesting. Ratio of what? Shubham's age to his mother's age when Shubham was 10-year old. Okay, Shubham is 12 years old today, students. Okay, if I am talking about that Shubham was when 10 years old. Okay, आज शुभम जो है वो 12 साल का है, तो शुभम जब 10 साल का था यानी 2 साल पहले, तो 2 साल पहले उसकी मदर का एज क्या होगा? टुडे शी इज़ 36, तो 2 years बैक शी विल बी 34. So if Shubham was 10 years, that means Shubham is 12 years today, and we subtract it by 2, then we will be getting 10. So we have to subtract 36 also by 2, that we will be getting 34. So we have to find out here. There is no space, but you have to write this whole statement over here, and then you will be writing what? 10 upon Shubham's age to his mother's age when Shubham was 10. So 10 upon 34. Okay, we will be dividing this both number by 2. That will be getting 5 upon 17. Okay, this will be the ratio of when Shubham's age was 10 and her mother was 34 years old. Okay, so this is how we will be finishing our practice set of our chapter ratio and proportion. This was the first practice set. If you have any doubt, you can comment me down. You have to complete your homework on time, and if your work is being interrupted with any doubt, you can comment me down about your doubts. I'll be clearing it. And if you are a new viewer, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the Smart Box.